dear students and my dear viewers. Your encouragement is our inspiration, and no doubt. Okay, and I am very much thankful to you all who are supporting and encouraging me. So your encouragement is our inspiration, no doubt at all. Okay, let us come to the point where I feel it is very important and interesting to know about the earth on which we are living. Okay, so today under geographical facts, I'm going to give you all facts, interesting, mind-blowing facts about the earth, so that the students of 6th to 10th class get to know many things, and people who are appearing for APPSC, TET and IAS, preparing for IAS examinations, definitely make use of this video. I hope that I try to bring all the information related to the earth. It is one of the planets in our solar system. Okay, let us try to understand the facts, mind-blowing facts, interesting facts about the earth. Let us see the facts. Earth is one of the 8 planets in our solar system. I have written a funny, interesting statement to make my students understand the number of planets and their size. Okay, we have a lot of discussion about the number of planets and their size. Okay, prior to this information, we had 9 planets in our solar system. After the complete sophisticated research and experimentation, that scientists have eliminated the 9th planet, which is a dwarf planet, is none but Pluto. That has been eliminated. Okay, so they considered it is not at all planet. Okay, so at present in our solar system 8 planets. On this idea, so many people get contrary answer for this. So this statement definitely make all the viewers, all the students, all the elders, okay, definitely understand by this statement that there are 8 planets and their size also is known by this statement. Okay, let us see. I will read out for you. Okay, Mercury met to Venus every night until Saturn jumped. Okay, so it is just for sake of interest to draw on to this. Okay, and it is an informative expression. Okay, no doubt there are 8 planets and their size according to this statement is starting from Jupiter. Jupiter is the first largest planet. Saturn is the second largest planet. Uranus, third largest planet. Neptune, fourth largest planet. 5th, Earth. See, the first letters of this statement is identified as planets. 5th largest planet, Earth. V stands for Venus. Okay, 6th largest planet. Okay, Mars is the 7th largest planet. Mercury is the 8th largest planet from the distance of Apollo, from the distance of sun. Okay, right. So that is what I have written here, up to 5 largest planets. So you can continue from Earth, 6th, 7th, 8th. Okay, so I have written only 5 largest planets. As I mentioned, as I explained you here, it is written here. Earth is the 5th largest, as I mentioned you through the statement. Okay, Jupiter is the first largest, the second largest planet is Saturn, the third largest planet is Uranus, the 4th largest planet is Neptune. Okay, so here it comes very interesting to know about the natural satellite. Earth has a natural satellite, only one natural satellite. Of course, we have 2 types of satellites, natural satellite and artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are sent into the space for the research. They go around the earth and take some interesting and important photographs. Okay, they take interesting photographs of the Earth for the research. Okay, so natural satellite is for the Earth moon. Okay, it is located at the distance of 3,85,000 kilometers from the Earth. What is the purpose of the moon? What do you mean by moon? Moon is a smaller body that go around the planet. Planet that go around the sun. A body that go around the planet is moon. Okay. So what is the purpose of the moon? What is the use of the moon? The moon for Earth, it stabilizes the moderate and wobble climate of the Earth. Moon stabilizes the wobble and moderate climate of the Earth. So that is only the purpose of the moon. Okay, right. Let us see. All of the planets, most of the planets do have their own moons. Okay, right. Let us come to this next point that is very interesting to know, that the age of the Earth. The age of the Earth is 4.543 billion years. As it is the source of source available, okay, is the size of the Earth is 4.543 billion years, according to the information available. Okay, so Earth is of course a watery planet that supports the Earth for all of us, supports the life. Okay, and without air, water, and atmosphere, we cannot survive on the Earth. Even plants and animals do survive because of this water and air. Okay, let us see some other most important related points, okay, to Earth. Let us see the remaining interesting points. Let us see the difference between space and universe. Many of us confuse with these two. Okay, let us try to understand the two words space and universe. Space is referred to a void between the celestial objects. Void is nothing but vacuum, okay, between the planets. Okay, so whereas the universe is referred to the contents of the space, like physical matter and energy, and stars, planets, and galaxies together we call as universe. So it is surmised that the space is the part of the universe. Okay, so by this we can understand many things. Okay, so many of us that they think of how these planets in the universe hold, okay, without any support. Okay, it is very interesting to know about. It is all because of the sun's gravity. The gravity of the sun keeps all these planets, okay, be in their orbits. All the planets stay in their orbits because there is no force in the universe that can stop them. Okay, so it is the reason, because of the sun's gravity, that all that keeps all the planets, okay, go around the sun, and the gravitation pull between them help them to hold in the universe. Okay, so that is really wonderful and amazing to know about the gravity of the sun. Okay, let us see some other important facts. Earlier to this, we had a lot of discussions about geocentric theory and heliocentric theory. Who have proposed these two systems? Okay, geocentric theory and heliocentric theory. So let us learn about these two theories. Let us see the two important theories: geocentric theory and heliocentric theory. Geocentric theory proposed by Ptolemy in the 2nd century. According to this theory, Earth was the center of the universe. and all other planets, asteroids go around the Earth. Okay, later in 15th century, Nicholas Copernicus propounded a new theory proving that geocentric theory was all incorrect. Okay, because the church people also believed that the geocentric theory was the correct. Okay, so people who believed this heliocentric theory were becoming enemies for the church. Okay, in this way, Galileo also came into this line. He fought against the church and tried to prove that heliocentric theory was the correct. What does it say? Heliocentric theory is the theory in which sun is the center of the earth. Okay, the earth along with the other planets revolve around the sun. So since then, it has been practiced by the entire world. Okay. Let us learn about imaginary lines which are drawn on the earth, and the latitudes and the longitudes together form coordinate system, and form as a grid, Earth's grid. And the 2 points of latitudes and longitudes intersect. That is known as coordinate. Okay, so how these imaginary lines of latitudes and longitudes help us? Latitudes are of course imaginary lines, are also known as latitudes. They are 180 in number. They indicates heat zones on the Earth's surface. Okay. Let us see how these imaginary lines, how many are there. There are most important 7 latitudes okay, on the Earth's surface. Let us learn them. There are different concepts related to these parallels or latitudes. Let us see the 7 important latitudes on the Earth's surface. Of course, equator, which makes the Earth into 2 halves, okay, at 0 degree, okay, and the Tropic of Cancer, north 23.5 degrees, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5, south 23.5 south. Of course, there are 2 poles, North Pole and South Pole, and they are known as freezer zones. Okay, South Pole of course at 90 degree, North Pole at 90 degree. Okay, so 6th one, it is Arctic Circle at 66.5 north, Antarctic Circle 66.5 south, where Antarctica region is located. You know, Antarctica is considered as natural laboratory. Almost all countries across the world okay, do their research, lab research, experimentation, and are given permission. All the countries are given permission to conduct their research and experimentation regarding something new, archaeological wonders, if any, okay, take place. So they kept on research and experimentation here in this place, Antarctica. So the place of Antarctica is considered as natural laboratory. Okay, so let us see how these latitudes or parallels help us. Okay, the first use of these parallel is They help us to locate any place on the Earth's surface. Yes, with the help of latitudes, we can locate a particular place on the Earth. Okay, and they determine the distance of points between the points on the Earth's surface. So they are very much useful. And of course, the second one, they influence the duration of day and night as they move from south to north. So these two uses are there when latitudes are okay considered okay for their purpose. Okay. I would like to conclude this session, and I would continue the same important points, okay, thrilling points, mesmerizing points, mind-blowing points related to the Earth in the next video. Thank you, children. Thank you very much. I would be very much okay, thankful to you and grateful to you for the support and encouragement you have been giving to me. Thank you. Thank you very much.